Side with the foci of ellipse x square upon 36 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. If the eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5, then the length of its latus rectum is. These are the options you have to select from. So let us see how to solve it. Now you know the ellipse could be drawn like this. This is your ellipse and this is your x and y axis. There will be some position of focus AE 0 and here minus AE 0. This is A 0 point and this is 0B. This is major axis and this is minor axis. A is greater than B. Actually in general equation of ellipse is like this: x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. So a is major axis and b is minor axis. This much information we know, and if we will compare our equation x of ellipse which is given in your question is this. So from this we can draw conclusion that a square is 36 and b square is 16. Also a is greater than b because 6 is greater than 4. Okay. Also for ellipse you know that eccentricity is greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. Okay, it is the ratio of the distance of any point on the ellipse from the focus to the distance of the same point from the directrix, and this is lying between 0 and 1. If it is equal to 0, then it becomes the equation of circle. So now see, also there is one formula for relation between b square, a square and e is like this. B for ellipse it is like this. Okay, so with these information we can calculate eccentricity of the ellipse. Okay, so let us see. B square is 16, a square is 36, 1 minus e square. 16 upon 36 equal to 1 minus e square. This will give you e square is equal to 1 minus 16 upon 36, which in turn will give you 36 minus 16 upon 36. So 20 upon 36. So 9 fours are 5 fours are 5 upon 9. So e is plus minus root under 5 upon 3. But we will neglect negative root under 5 by 3 as e is lying between 0 and 1, means positive. Therefore eccentricity for ellipse is root under 5 by 3. Also foci, because in question it is given that foci of ellipse and hyperbola are coinciding, means foci of ellipse in our case is equal to AE plus minus and 0. So here also we will discuss only the positive point of foci, that is AE. Okay, this is the till now we have discussed about ellipse. Now we will discuss our hyperbola. Okay, so hyperbola equation is not given, but we can assume the equation of hyperbola, and before that I will just want to show you the diagram of the hyperbola is like this. Okay, sorry, like this, and there will be foci over here In this case, we will write the equation as x square upon p square minus y square upon q square equal to 1. So foci is p e 0, and here will be minus p e 0. E we can write as e dash. Okay, let it be e dash, eccentricity of hyperbola. We are just denoting, and this is again origin. So in our hyperbola, in this case, we don't know p and q. We only know the e dash, that is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. E dash is given as 5 in our question, according to question. Okay. Also, foci is of hyperbola is also same as that of ellipse, that is a, here it will be p e dash, comma 0. So they are coinciding means their value will be same. So if we will compare only the positive values, what we will get is AE will be equal to PE dash. In our question, A is 6 and E just now we have calculated as root under 5 upon 3. P we don't know, E dash it is given as 5. Okay. So this will imply P is equal to, from here you can do it, 2 root 5 upon 5. So it will give you 2 upon root 5. Okay. Now here also you know the relation between b square means here q square, that q square will be equal to p square and e square minus 1, because for hyperbola e is greater than 1. Okay. For hyperbola e is greater than 1, so e square minus 1 in formula. So p square means 4 upon 5, e square means here e dash. Okay, we are using e dash over here. So e dash means 5, 25 minus 1, so it will give you 4 into 24 upon 5, that is 96 upon 5. Okay, just now I will correct it so that it will be much easier, clearer. Okay, so q square you have got, p square you have got, e dash you know, so you know the complete equation of hyperbola also. But in our equation, our question is for the latus rectum of hyperbola. Latus rectum of hyperbola. Formula is same, 2b square upon a. Here b square means 2q square upon p. So 2q square means 96 upon 5 and p means 2 upon root 5. So 2 gets cancelled, this root 5 and there will be 1 root 5. So you are getting 96 upon root 5. So let us check which is the option over here. Yeah, it's option C. So option C is correct. So just take option C is